Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're staying happy, healthy, and safe. I miss you all. So today I thought we'd do some fun social studies and take a look at the 50 states and do a fun song that goes with it. This is to be done or completed on Thursday. So, yes, this is the correct worksheet. Yes. And on the daily agenda, I also provided a map of the 50 states as well. So if you need to go ahead and look at that, please do so. Okay, so let's take a look at this super fun song I found and just get groovy with me, dance a little bit, and then we will talk about your worksheet. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour without a care. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour. First, I'm gonna see Nashville, Tennessee. Then Madison, Wisconsin is where I gotta be. Yeah. Then I'll take a plane to. Well, actually, I'm afraid to fly, so I think I'll take the train. Let's go. Going to Trenton, New Jersey, Frankfort, Kentucky. Maybe take a trip to Jackson, Mississippi. Let's see what they can show me in Jefferson City, Missouri. Santa Fe, New Mexico, Denver, Colorado, Boise, Idaho. I love it every time that I go. In 1492, he sailed the ocean blue, but next week I'll see Columbus in Ohio. Grab a little sunshine in Tallahassee, Florida. Take a bite of a beach in Atlanta, Georgia. I've never been to Carson City in Nevada or Lincoln, Nebraska. You can catch me in Phoenix, Arizona, or Sacramento, California. Yeah, St. Paul, Minnesota, maybe Juneau, Alaska. Yeah, I want to take a little trip somewhere. Yeah, places I've never been. Yeah, going on a tour without a care. I want to take a little trip somewhere. Yeah, places I've never been. Yeah, going on a tour. Boston, Massachusetts, Concord, New Hampshire. Going to Vermont for Montpelier. Montgomery, Alabama, then Washington, D.C. to see the nation's capital. Aloha to Honolulu, Hawaii, Des Moines, Iowa, so peaceful to me. Going to Springfield, Illinois to build a little house on a prairie. In Little Rock, Arkansas, I love what I saw. Going back to Dover, Delaware, cause I want more. Indianapolis, Indiana, and Hartford, Connecticut, need an encore. Smelling pine trees in Augusta, Maine. I like Topeka, Kansas, I'm glad that I came, but I've never been to Salt Lake City in Utah or Richmond, Virginia. Gonna see Bismarck, North Dakota, and Charleston, West Virginia. Yeah. Annapolis, Maryland, maybe Lansing, Michigan, yeah. Helena, Montana, Columbia, South Carolina. Gotta go to Pierre, South Dakota, yeah. Follow if you wanna. I'll be eating a banana in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Schedule that on my planner. Friends say I gotta come sooner to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. So I guess I'm gonna. But first I'm going to Cheyenne, Wyoming, then party in Raleigh, North Carolina. Yeah. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Can't think of a rhyme for Pennsylvania. So I'm skipping to Salem, Oregon, then Austin, Texas. And then maybe Albany, New York for breakfast. Providence, Rhode Island was a blast. And Olympia, Washington was just the bestest. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour without a care. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour without a care. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour. How cool is that video? I just loved all of his drawings, how they all fit each individual state and they're all different. I thought that was awesome.
And it just reminded me of you guys because I know how much you love to draw, and I thought it was so cool. So back to your worksheet. You're going to look at the first question and it says, what letter does your first name begin with? Well, my name's Mrs. W, so I would do W for Weisling, right? And then how many states begin with the name with the same letter as your first name? So this is where that map comes in handy. Let's see if I brought it up. I did. So I would look at all the different states that start with the letter W. So I see Wisconsin, I see Wyoming, I see Washington. There's 3 right there. Where else? I think I only have 3. Oh, West Virginia, 4. Now I can't stop looking. Okay, well anyways, I think there's only 4. So then I would go back onto my worksheet and I would write the number 4. The third question is, how many other states begin with the same letter as the first letter? How many other states begin with the same letter as the first letter of your state? Oh, so what state do we live in? We live in Ohio, right? So are there any other states that start with the letter O? I see Oregon. I see Oklahoma. And I believe that's it. So there's only 2 other states that start with the letter O besides Ohio. So then I would go back on my worksheet and I'd write the number 2. What letters of the alphabet have no states beginning with what letters of the alphabet have no states beginning with that letter? So it's asking, out of all the letters in the alphabet, which states do not start with any letters? Does that make sense? So I'd go through and I'd say A. Do any states start with the letter A? Arizona. What about B? Move on to the next letter. Do any states start with the letter B? I don't see any states that start with the letter B. So one letter would be B because there are no states that start with the letter B. What about C? I see one state, Colorado, that starts with the letter C. What about D? See how I'm going through the whole alphabet? And I'm going to find all the letters that no states start with. Does that make sense? So you can choose just one, you can write just one, or go through all of them and pick all the different letters that no states start with. And then what letter of the alphabet do most states begin with? So you'd look back at your map and you would see which letter most of the states start with. Just by looking at this right now, it looks like it would either be I or M. But you tell me, which one? I, M, or A? I'm thinking. Which one is it? Which letter has the most states? I, M, or A? You tell me. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.